shop today, we got a Golf R with a leaky injector. So once you get the intake off and pull out the fuel rail, you'll be able to access the injectors, and here you'll see me giving them a reseal. Once you cut off the old seals, you'll put the new one on this cone and slide it right into position, just like that. In the process of installing that seal, it has stretched. We now use this special tapered cylinder, and we just slide her on and it will squish that new seal right down to a perfect fit. And to top it off, we install the rubber O-ring and the plastic collar. Now that we have one done, we can go and do the same to the 3 other injectors. Here I'll show you a better view of that seal being stretched. And there we go, ready for installation. Now these engines are direct injection, so they'll slot right in under the intake, directly into the cylinder. Let's not forget the little fuel injector bracket. And now we can put the fuel rail back on. Thanks for coming to hang out with me. I hope we all learned something.